today's story, it's a category S Toyota CHR 2022 model. As I arrived, it's already dark, so I did all the checks I need, so I can just show you. Seatbelt missing, that was already one sign. Then battery's completely faulty, it didn't start. One indicator showing a white light. There was wheel gaps, obviously now I checked out, but one wheel was facing that way, and then the back, on the front other side, right side, it was pushed in, so the caster is moved in. As you can see, it had a collision on this section here. They've been welding something. Can't get a focus. So they've been welding this section on a chassis. So the strut has moved in. They've been pulling something out. Haven't done it successfully. So there is on that leg further down. There is crumple zone. So just to finish off, basically, as you can see, there's a damage on a chassis there. So everything is moved to the back, has moved backwards. So it's not a successful repair. So yeah, the vehicle is not satisfactorily repaired, and it's a complete sort of budget up car in my opinion, it's just not fit for purpose. So they thought they bought it, more likely it looked like it would be an easy repair, but because the way it's been hit is just shit. The only thing good about it is they respray the front, and the respray is very good. That's the only good thing about it. But yeah, the AC obviously is not working. Everything else. Look, if just with Cat S's, right? Just leave them alone. Don't touch them, And they're always bodged up. They're never repaired to the good standard. As this is a complete example. Haven't had something like that for a long time, where the repair is completely bodged up, So yeah, so basically, regards to Cat S's, remember, there always will be something missing, something will be not working, something will be removed, something might be deleted, hidden, latent, might be sometimes even I will not be able to pick it up. But just this is what I'm saying. It's just like buying something in a salvage yard, Just walk away.